check out the goji berry. Here's its trunk coming up on this huge stake. So kind of training it to go all places in like an arch. And a couple of the branches will trim to go along the fence line. But check out these goji berries. A little branch that the birds didn't get. Heard my buddy talking about the birds on a podcast. He was saying how they eat a lot of insects that mess with your plants, and they really like the goji berries, so they kind of stay away from the other fruits. So I don't mind giving them these goji berries, but it's cool to see that they left me a few. These are like 2 years old. I got another one over there. See, that guy is even excelling further. He's like 12 feet high already. But we'll see how we form these. Haven't really seen anybody mess with the goji berries too much. Shout out to Ian, my roommate from Santa Barbara. Introduced me to him. Got a bunch from the SB co-op, or the IV co-op, my bad. Super sweet tasting. I think they're from China. Some of my favorite little berries though. Give them a try.